Be strong.
For this week's assignment, you're going to create your digital signature using the Google Drawing. You're going to watch this video on how to create it. The requirements are you must use at least one shape. You must type your full name. You must use one special character. Must use drop shadow. And you're going to save this as a PNG file, and you're going to upload that PNG file. So the first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to see the digital signature, your name right here, a copy of it. You're just going to click on it so it pops up right here, and you're going to see this gray and white checkerboard that represents transparency. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to type your name. So I'm going to go up here to the text box, and I'm just going to click right there. Now I do not want this to be 14. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to go to like, I don't know, 48. And you probably don't want Arial. So click on that, and you have all these fonts to choose from. So pick one that you like. Pick one that speaks to you. I kind of like Impact. That's just me. You can even do a bold or italic if you want. So I'm gonna do labor art. Now I'm doing Claber art because, well, doggone it, I'm special. I'm a teacher, but you have to type your full name in. So anyways, there's my signature. So let's go back here. So I typed in my full name. I must use at least one shape. So I did that. Alright, so that's the arrow key. So where's the shapes? There's the shapes right there. So I'm going to click on that. And you have all these to choose from. So if you find a shape in here you like, lightning bolt or cloud or whatever, I want to keep it simple. I like circles. That's just me though. And if you want it to be like that or like that, if you want it to be perfect circle, you have to hold down the shift key. I'm holding down the shift key now. I know it's a perfect circle. It's gonna put it right on top. Don't worry about it. It's fine. It's fine. We'll fix that. Now if you don't want that color, you just go up here to fill color, and you can change that to any color you want. Now what color do I want? I don't want that color. I'm more of a light gray. And if you don't like this outside color, if you go right here to border color, you can change that to a different color too. So if you wanted to make it a blue or I don't know, that dark green or whatever. And you can even make it the border weight thicker, or you can make it dash, you know. So kind of experiment with it if you will. Maybe like that. It's totally up to you. I'm just gonna go solid color. Maybe not so thick, maybe just a little 8. There you go. Now if you want the let me go back to my names. Yeah, you can click back and forth there. Beep beep. I want this to go in front of this. So I'm on my name. I'm gonna right click. I'm gonna go to order. I'm gonna bring to front. And then if I get this little arrow showing like that, there's a little white cross, I can move it to where I like it. Maybe if I want to change the color, I'll highlight it, and up here to text color you can change it. I don't know, maybe not that. What's that look like? That's decent. Now I'll go back here. So I used one shape, I typed my full name, must use one special character. Oh, I gotta type again, so I'm gonna type right there, insert, special character, Now I'll go see what that looks like. Alright. Get rid of that. It's way too small. Now I'll, it's as big as it gets. There we go. Change that to just slightly darker. I wonder if I can, oh, I can italicize that. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know that. Alright, now I will move this maybe up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that looks better. So I just gotta move this around a little bit. I wonder if I can even make that even bigger. Oh, wrong one. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh, this is infuriating. Alright. I'm gonna try to type in, what if I can type in 150? Oh, okay, so you can type in if you want to make it, you know, bigger. Alright. Alright, so, just going back. Use the shape, the circle, type the full name. Must use one special character, must use drop shadow. So that's the only thing I haven't shown you yet. So I'm on Claver Art. I clicked on that. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to Format Options. And if you notice over here, we have drop shadow. If you click on that, you get a little drop shadow. And you can actually do that on your special character and your shape too if you want, I think. Yeah. So you can do it on all three. See, it has a nice little effect. Now you have all this extra space over here. Oh no, here's how you crop it. So if you have too much space, we're gonna, alright, down here at the very bottom, you'll see, the bottom right, you'll see these like these little arrows on the bottom right, these little triangle on your bottom right, and you just try to crop it around your picture so you get rid of all the extra space so it shows up bigger. Alright, so once you get it nice and big like this on your screen, then you're ready to save it because you pretty much cut out all your stuff. So this is your digital signature. You're going to change this to your name, and you're going to go to File. You're going to download PNG. Down here you can't really see it, but it says, what do you want to do with this digital signature, your name PNG? You want to hit save. It's finished downloading. Open folder, just you want to see where it is. So it's going to be in your downloads folder probably. I'm just going to rename it, right click, rename to digital oh my gosh, my cap locks is on. Oh, you know what? Yeah, digital signature, and then put your name, full name. Your full name. I'm putting my signature right there. So there's your signature. Then when you go to submit it, you're going to add, when you go to submit it, you're going to add that you're going to upload that PNG file. make sure you upload that PNG file.
Here's how that looks in Classroom. When a student goes to an assignment, here's the assignment that I posted. The student opens the assignment. Let's make this a little bit bigger here. When the student opens the assignment, and this is there for any assignment, this add and this create button we're very used to since we started using Classroom, just pushing out files to students. But this add and create button have been here all along. So a student has the choice to add a file from their Google Drive. Maybe they go start a document or a slideshow all on their own. They can choose this, and this will let them pick a file from their Google Drive to turn into you. They can also add a link. So if I chose link and I pasted in that Powtoon link, I'll go ahead and add that as an example. That's going to attach that here to the assignment so the teacher can see it. Also under that add button, there is a choice for a file. So if the student had a PDF they created or some other file type that wasn't a Google Drive file type, they could pick file, select that file from their computer to turn in.
Eventually, when you get your laptops out, you're going to download this PNG file. You might want to save it on your Google Drive here if you can figure out how to do that, because that'll be the one you put on all your Photoshop stuff. So this will be your digital signature that you use for all your digital work. So if you even want to email it to yourself, just write yourself an email. So send it to yourself and attach it as a file. And that's pretty easy to do. So that's it. So make sure you submit it not as a Google drawing, but submit it as a PNG file. And that's it. So God bless.